Come to y'all to show you how I self-install a Fab Luxurious glueless wig. It is so simple, and if you don't have anyone to install it for you, you definitely can. So this is Cachet. She is a deep wave unit. I've been wearing her. She has a 6x6 closure, and all of my units are custom made on the sewing machine, and it includes an elastic band. So this is what makes this unit glueless. So since she is deep wave, I like to hydrate her because I love the wet look. So I have a spray bottle with my water and conditioner and a other little secret mix. And I have my Cancel curling cream. I live by it. As well as my foundation brush. So since I've already been wearing this unit, it is already cut. So if you just received the new lace, you can go ahead and cut straight across, but don't cut too close to the part. And you need a wig cap. So you can get your wig cap at your local beauty supply. You can have cornrows under it. Right now it is wash day. So I am in the process of washing my hair. I just took down my braids. So my hair is just natural under here. But I just came to show you all a quick video. So the first thing that you're going to do after you cut that lace, you're going to take a foundation brush or a sponge with your foundation color. And you're just going to go ahead and spread that across that lace. Just so it can be the same color as your skin. So simple. So now that you have the foundation on that lace, you don't want to saturate it too much with foundation. Just lightly stroke it across the front and down where the part is. So this is the part that makes it glueless. So we have our elastic band. We're going to turn the closure piece, we're going to turn it towards us. We're going to pull on this elastic band, and we're going to take that and go all the way to the back of our head. So we pull that elastic band all the way to the back of our head until it's positioned. And now we're going to take the end of this cap and we're going to pull it back. So just adjust it and pull it down. Make sure that that band, and the band is what makes it glueless and secures your wig. It's not going to move or anything. Okay, so we have our wig down. Voila, that simple. Just make sure it's adjusted. So that we have our wig on and it's secured. So this is how our deep wave hair looks in its natural state. I do wear it like this sometimes because it is so cute and so full like this. But what I like to do, I like to wet my hair down and add my other products. So I have my spray bottle as I mentioned before, and I'm just gonna go ahead spray it down really good. Okay, so the wig is sprayed down. Now that we have our hair saturated with water, we're going to use our Cancel Shea Butter curling cream. Now, I must advise that if you overuse this product, it will make your hair hard. So a little goes a long way. It smells so good. So I just take about this much, and I rub it in between my hands. And then I just go through my hair all the way down to the ends. Oh, it smells so good. Make sure you get the back. And if it's not wet enough, you can wet it just a little more. It's good to have your hair wet.